Welcome to another video of Mikey from Strikey Down Under. I'm just here to show you how to get, if you're using MxLinux, which I am, version 21.3, on how to change your colour, the colour of your folders. I've got mine in magenta at the moment, but you can do any colour you like. You need two things. First of all, with MX comes MxTweak. That's where you can tweak your colours and everything, just about anything you want with the display of your desktop and folders, etc. But if you want to change your colours, what you've got to do, there are a few you can do in Tweak, but not many. What you've got to do is you've got to either download and install this one, Papirus folder colours. Now it's a bit tricky at first, it took me a while to work it all out, but the first thing you've got to do is record colours. Now this one, you won't be able to use this to change the colours of your folders, but you can change them, you can use it to make a certain colour available. So you come to this first, don't worry about these two right now, we're talking about folder colour, so we click there. And from here, you can toggle your different folder styles. There's only two, one with a house in the middle, one with a house to the side. And then you go to this. Make sure you do this step by step, by the way. I'm not drunk. I'm slurring my words, I know, but I'm not drunk. I was drunk when I had all my teeth out, but I'm right now, I assure you. I'm sober as a judge. Just slurring my words, that's all. Okay, here we go. We click on this. We can define a colour here by choosing whichever one we want. We can even custom make it by just doing this, blah blah, and picking whichever one out and then click select, which I've done. But we might do that again. We'll just pick a simple one, green. Okay, click. Make sure you click select and don't hit the enter button. Sometimes in this you can hit the enter button, you know, like you select something, hit the enter button, and it's done. But not the case in this. Sometimes you've just got to do it by manually with the mouse. Click select. Then you come down, here's the part where it's tricky, you don't miss any of this. Well, you can miss them too, but right now you want to click the main folder colour. Apply colour to main folder colour there, click that, which is done, and then create the theme. Now we'll call this lime. No, I've already got lime. We'll call it pink, even though it's not pink. It's the only colour I haven't got. So up here, when you click that, we'll call it pink. And click create theme. Oh, I have got a pink. Oh, we'll override it then. Pink. Okay, we'll override it. I didn't realise I had a pink. Now it takes a few seconds to do. It took about 8 or 10 seconds. Once that's done, close it off. Now that has been saved somewhere. If you want to know where it's saved, go to your folder. Where is it again? You open up your home. You need your home folder, which I haven't got here. Why haven't I got a home folder? Oh yes, I have. There it is there. And you've got to view all. You've got to view your hidden folders, and then come down to local, share, then down to icons. There's your icons. Now they've all got the preface of Papirus, and I called it, what did I call it? I called it pink, didn't I? There's the pink one there. In this case I've overridden it, but it's made. So now you can't do anything from here either. That's just to show you that that colour has been stored there for you. Now you can close this down. Now you open up, to be able to change some colours, now you open up the Tweak, MxTweak. This is the good part. You go to theme, and it's all a bit frightening at first. You've got many lists of different things. Just forget them two completely on the left. Go to the right one and choose, you'll find the one you chose, pink. I'm not going to choose pink because it's too much like what it is already. I'm going to choose another one which I've pre-done. We'll call it orange. Now you watch the folders up top, they should change. Change to orange, click close, and you're done. So there you go, fellas. You need both those programs. You need the MxTweaks and you need the Papirus. You may have to download that, but I think mine did come with MxLinux, my version. Okay, have fun. By the way, this little simple screen recorder, if anyone knows how I stop this, I haven't worked out how to stop it except by clicking pause, which I don't want to do. I want to end it. So what I'm doing is just clicking save record.